Hi, I'm Laudomia Pucci. I'm a fashion executive, daughter of fashion designer Emilio Pucci, and today president of Emilio Pucci Heritage Hub. The Emilio Pucci Heritage Hub is an online platform and a physical space. What do I mean by that? In the Palazzo Pucci, we preserve the incredible archives that are drawings, iconic prints, clothing, accessories, letters of key people from the fashion industry. And we preserve and we celebrate the archives every day. Besides preserving them and putting them on show, we also allow people to visit and we offer also events and hospitality. And we are really creating a whole new world around the heritage.
What is heritage? Why is it important to preserve it? And how it can help design the future?
Heritage is one of those words today that everybody seems to use. It's a little bit like iconic, you know. Now, I believe that heritage, in our case, is history. It's our history. It's something that we feel very, very strongly. And why is it useful? It's useful because, you know, if you don't know your past, you don't know your future. And we believe that in Europe we are such a concentrate of culture that if we translate our culture, we'll be able to offer a fantastic future to our kids.
Habitus and habitat, the things we wear and the places we live, such as our homes and cities, are deeply interconnected. In what ways has this relationship changed since the pandemic?
Habitus and habitat. Closely interconnected. Habitus is what we wear and habitat is where we live. Now, what has changed since the pandemic? We really discovered that home and everything that was close to us was really important before we didn't use our homes. However, our habitus has become a little bit more basic, a little bit more casual. And I think that we've discovered also comfort, fabrics that maybe are more natural, etc. But now again, it seems that there is a revenge in the air, and you know, a new normal is coming back, and you know, there is more of a research of looking for special things, special moments. We're also trying to wear Web3 clothes. There is new creativity in the air. I think that's, as usual, what comes out of bad moments.
How will the geopolitical and economic situation develop in the coming years? I mean, are there any new opportunities for the creative industry?
I tried to ask that to artificial intelligence. They couldn't answer and I can't either. So basically, I think it's moving. It's a very, very complicated moment. Who would have imagined a year and a half ago where we are today? So I think nobody has, you know, the magic to understand that. What I believe is that local is one of the new trends, and I like that a lot because we had forgotten about that for the globalization. And rediscovering the local is giving more dignity to maybe smaller businesses, creative businesses, opportunities that we had totally forgotten, the richness of local. And I'm a big believer in that, so I'm working on that. There are always amazing opportunities for the creative industry for those who work hard and can imagine them. Where can you find them? You can find them probably in the metaverse, artificial intelligence, everybody's jumping on this now. But I think they can also help traditional industries, both in the most mundane jobs and of course in everything that can be also, I mean, the big word of sustainability that gets used all the time. But I believe that if we can plan better the supply chain, etc., we can have enormous opportunities of savings, and that can bring also to more creativity in the terms we do things and we manufacture things. I don't think creativity is only at the creation end, it's across the board. So, no, I'm very excited in what can happen and can't wait to see it happen. I like to be very, very creative in the way I look at the past. I think this is something that I really enjoy because I come from Florence and it's a city that has so much past, so much history. And however, I'm fascinated by cultures like Korean that manage to innovate in the most extraordinary way rather than Japan. I like the technology. So I like mixing things and languages, etc. And I try, to carry that forward and to make it our language. So I hope this is what I'm good at.